Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your PayPal account number. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, in this case, if you want to find or look for your PayPal account number, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, PayPal, by its nature, so if you're just going to look for some account or numbers that you could use to refer to your PayPal account here, well, the thing with PayPal is instead of using the traditional account numbers, we have what we call phone numbers and email addresses. Now, any information or email address that is linked or phone numbers that is linked to your PayPal account here, people can use that to reach out or send money through you. So in this case, to view the information that you currently have right now, go and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen, and you should be able to see the email address that is attached to your PayPal account, and also the phone numbers you have attached to your account in here. Now, if you're looking for what we call the deposit or direct deposit account numbers, so typically this is used for like making payments or from companies making payments to your account. Well, this one is kind of complicated. So not all PayPal accounts have this, but if you really do want to access this, you want to go and click on the homepage at the top section of your screen. You want to go to the more section at the top right here. And once you click on it, depending on your account, because PayPal accounts would have their own regions. Now, depending on where your account is located, so let's just say if you're in Australia or in another country, well, in this case, you should see the option here that says see your direct deposit account. So typically, once you click on it, it should redirect you to a page that would show the account numbers or direct deposit account numbers that you could use for whatever reason. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.